So hello everyone, in this video we'll be creating a simple get route again, but in this we'll be fetching up one particular block with its ID. So let's just do that. For that I'll be creating another get route, and we can also add some comments for all these routes. Get single block and create block. Now here what we can do is we can specify uh, API requests, request and response, and here I can specify the ID block slash ID. So let's add it here. Now here let's just grab the parameters. Let me just add try and catch. Let's just copy it from others, and we can grab the ID from the parameter in which we'll be passing. Let me just add it ID first. So request dot params dot id. So it will grab the ID from the endpoint or from the route itself. Now we can specify that to get the response or the result log, and then there we have a find by ID method from Mongoose that we can use, and in which we can specify the ID here. Now if I log it, uh, let me just log it, the response, and then we can also send this back to the user. Also, since we are using await, so we also have to add async here, so we can make our code synchronous. If I do that, and if I check this route for getting, and then we can specify an ID. Let's say we are specifying this particular ID, so it should return me this data or this particular block. If I send this, as you can see, this is returning me the correct data or the correct block if I just pass this ID only. So this was it, and yep, now in the next video we'll be creating a delete route and an update route in another video. So then we'll be starting our front end development. So I hope you got it. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.